Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a model's shadow appear on a stage and different things you can use to adjust or blend the shadow to the stage. So let's start. First, how to make the shadow appear. As you can see here, you can see that this stage has a shadow, but the model's shadow is very already blended, so I don't really have to do much here. But if you're having a stage where the shadow is not appearing or you want it to be more clear, like the shape, all you have to do is just lower the stage to be below the coordinate axis. There we go. So you can see it's below the coordinate axis, and then just remove the coordinate axis, which you can do in view and then display coordinate axis. And there you go. Now you have your shadow to be more prominent than the shadow of the stage. You have to be careful with this because if the stage, like I'm about to show you, if the stage has a shadow, as you can see here, if I lower it, this thing has self shadow on, and if the self shadow is on the floor, it could cause this problem and hide the shadow. There's also some stages where no matter how you adjust it, the shadow won't appear, so you have to place it below the coordinate axis. Afterwards, all you can do to adjust it is go to Camera, Light, Accessories, and here in Light Manipulations, you can manipulate where the shadows are coming from, distance, everything. And then if you want to make the shadow darker, let's go to the model. You can actually adjust how light or how dark the shadow is by going to View, Ground Shadow Color. I don't know why it's called color when all you're adjusting is the brightness, not the color. If you go to 2, it's lighter. If you go to 0, it's darker, as you can see here. So you can adjust that. I don't know why it's not working for me, but it's also supposed, if you have transparency on, it's supposed to make it more transparent as you go lighter, but for some odd reason it doesn't want to work with me right now. So I'm just going to leave it there, but pretty much that's all you can do. And if you remove transparency, then the shadow color is a lot stronger, as you can see. So you can create these really dark shadows. So you can play around with that and just create very unique shadows. And if you want to turn them off, you can just go here and display ground shadows. You click that and it doesn't display them anymore. I don't know why this is self shadow, so if I remove self shadow, as you can see, no more self shadows. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to get notified for more tutorials. Bye bye.